Good morning. Today I am going to discuss use of log and anti-log in chemistry. So there are three important formula used in chemistry. First, let us try to understand how we are writing it. Like this is 2Q. I am going to take 2Q. Its value is equals to 8. Its value is equals to 8. So now how we will write it in terms of log? It will be log, and here base is 2. Base is 2 because we have taken 2 to the power 3. So base is taken 2. So base is written as subscript, and now here this is 2, base is 2, 8 is its answer, and exponent is itself 3. That means log 8 is equals to 3. So this is for base 2. But in chemistry, normally we are using base 10. So just try to understand, normally three formulas are used: log A into B. Log A into B is equals to log A plus log B. Another one formula used is log A divided by B is equals to log A minus log B. Its explanation is in maths. Especially here I am discussing only formula which is used in chemistry with base 10. Now there is one more formula. If we are taking log m to the power n or a to the power b, a to the power b, then it will be here. It's very interesting to understand. B will be multiplied, exponent will be here. That means b into log a, and this log a value we can observe from log table. So now let us start to understand how we will observe value of log. So suppose a value is given. First of all, let us try to understand which value you should learn, and it will be easier to understand. Like log 2, you should know. For this, I think no need of log table if you are learning value 3010, 0.3010. Always one value less we are taking, all values are taken after decimal. Now another one value is log 3 is equals to 0.4771. Now next is log 4 is equals to 0.6021. Now next log 5 is equals to 0.699. These all values you should learn, then it will be easier to use these values. Suppose we are taking a question related to log. So I have taken log 27. 27 is what? Sorry, this is 27. Log 27. 27, that means 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. That means 3Q. So we can take it as log 3Q. Log 3Q. So it will be very easy if you are knowing its value. So we know it that log a to the power b is b into log a. So it will be written as 3 into log 3. Now we should know only the value of log 3. Log 3 is what? It's 3 into log 3 is 0.4771. This much only you should know. So if we are knowing this value, then easily we can find its answer. It's very easy to find its answer. Now we will do what? We'll multiply 3 with 0.4771 and it will be easier to know its answer. Or suppose 25 is given, then you can take 5 square, it will be 2 into log 5. And if you know the value of log 5 is 0.699, then you can take 2 into 0.699. So it's very easy to understand. But I will tell you how to use log table also. It is not possible to learn all the values. So suppose this is log 2.7 is taken. Log 2.7, after that nothing is there. That means two digit is there and third digit is 0. So now how we will observe log table? Just look at this log table. I have taken 2.7. Two digits are first two digits are 27. Third digit is not given, that means 0. So from upside, just look at here this yellow line, here there is 0. So come to the point till 27. It has been given 4314. That means it will be 0.4314. It will be 0.4314. 0.4314. It's very easy to know. If three digits are given, suppose I increased one more digit over here, like log 2.75 is given. So now how to observe its value? Again, I'll move towards log table. Now here it has been given what? It was given 2.75. 2.75, that means this side 27 and third digit is 5. Third digit from this horizontal line will be taken 5. Now move towards 27. It has been given, this is 27 and here 5. So it has been given 4393. It will be 0.4393. Its answer is 0.4393. It's very easy to understand. Now suppose four digits are given. Till four digits we can find answer through log table. So it's log 2.75. Again same thing I am going to take, and here one more digit I increased 3. Now four digits are there. How to observe its value? Till 2.75 we are knowing it is 0.4393. Now last digit how we will observe? Just look at here, last digit is 3. So just move from this line only. First two digit observed from here, third digit from here, and fourth digit from mean difference value. So as I told you, here we have taken mean difference value. We have taken mean difference value as 3. So just look at here. It is 3. In this line only will move towards mean difference value, and at 3 5 is given. So this 5 will be added with last digit. Last digit is 3. This is 0.4393 for log 2.75. For 3 last with last digit 5 is added. So it will be 0.4398. It's very easy. Now, if we are taking a value where there is two digits before decimal, then or three digits before decimal, then what shall we do? Just look at here. If it is given 27.53, then what shall you do? it will be, first of all, we'll convert it with a value where there will be only one digit before decimal. So right under bracket, it will be 2.753, and now we divided it with 10, so multiplied by 10. Now we are going to find its answer. We know log A into B, just I told you. A into B is what? It will be log A plus log B. So the value of log 2.753, I told this is 0.4398. And the value of log 10 to the power 1, it's very simple, it will be 1, exponent is 1. So its answer will be what? It will be equals to log 27.53 will be equals to, first of all, for log 2.753, 0.4398, and for log 10 to the power 1 it will be 1. So answer is 1.4398. Now if we are taking a value where there is 3 digits before decimal, it's very easy to understand. Like again I am going to take same value, through this you will understand in far better way. Like it has been given 275, then I am taking decimal, after that 3 is equals to, now I am going to convert it in that value where there is only 2 before decimal. Now it will be log under bracket 2.753 multiplied by, we divided it with 100, so multiplied by 100. Okay, now again it is log A into B, and this is 100, so 10 square, and 2.753, as I told, it is 0.4398. So we will take it as, it will be taken as very simple, log 2.753. Log 2.753 is what? 0.4398. And then here there is log 10 square. Log 10 square is 2. So its answer will be what? Its answer will be 2.4398. So it's very easy to understand how to use log table. It's very easy. Now next I am going to discuss about anti-log. Little bit you know about anti-log, how to use it. Suppose a value is given log x. Log x is equals to 0.953, this much. And now here we don't want value, we want value of x. So if log x will be there, it's not possible to find answer. We will do what? Here we'll apply anti-log. So it will be x is equals to anti-log. When we will apply anti-log, then log will be removed. Anti-log under bracket 0.953. Now we are going to find its answer. So just move towards anti-log. Now I am moving towards anti-log. 953 is there. So this is anti-log table. Just look at here. 953 is there. 95, and just look at here. Here also it has been given 3. Horizontally we'll observe here also third digit. So 3 is here, and in this line only you move towards 95. So it has been given 8974. It will be just opposite of log. One digit in answer, one digit will be before decimal. So 8.974. Its answer will be 8.974. It's very easy. There is one more process also. Like if we are using a value, this is NT log. NT log under bracket, it is 1.753. So now how we will get its value? So the value which is before decimal, that will be exponent of 10. It will be exponent of 10. So it has been written what? 10 to the power 1. 10, we can write it 10. And now for the value of antilog 0.753. So just move towards antilog table. 753 is there. 75 is here. This is 75 and 3. So this is 5662. 5.662. It will be 5.662. Now we can find its answer very easily. It is what? 56.62. It's very easy. Anyone can find its answer. Just will multiply it with 10. Now suppose a value is given in terms of negative value like NT log under bracket minus 2.53. So here what shall we do? Here we will take one successive number, that will be what? Successor. Successor of 2 is 3. Successor of 2 as 1's value is 3. So after getting its value, simply finally we have to get minus 2.53 again. So how we will get it? It will be NT log under bracket minus 3 plus 0. In place of 0.53 we will do what? We will subtract it with 1. So when we are subtracting it with 1, 10 minus 3 is 7 and 9 minus 5 is 4. 0.47. 0.47. This we are getting. I am going to write it in next line. So minus 3 will be 10 to the power minus 3 and we will get value of NT log 0.47. So it will be into 10 to the power minus 3. Minus 3 is its exponent power. And now here this is NT log 0.47. So simply we will observe its value. 0.47 is here. Third digit is not given, that means it is 0. So it will be 2.951. Its answer we are getting 2.951. So this is the simplest way to use log and NT-log table. If any of the help is required, then students you can write in comment box, and if there will be any problem, those who are my students, they can discuss in online class also. So if any more help is required, I don't think so. After going through this video, there will be any problem in understanding. So thank you.